I'll be taking you through 3 variations of Sun Salutation, practicing gentle yoga. So this is great to do when you first wake up to loosen out your body from stiffness from sleeping. It's a way to greet the day with gratitude, welcoming the light, welcoming the sun. So traditionally, it's practiced facing east, greeting the rising sun. So wherever east for you, if you want to try, you could try that. So with each variation, I'll be facing different directions so I can demonstrate better, but you'll be just facing the same way throughout. So the main foundational pose of all yoga, especially Sun Salutation, is coming into mountain pose. So you want your feet to ground evenly, standing tall. So ideally you want to stack your ankles, knee, hips, shoulder, crown of your head all in one line. And then ground evenly to your feet. Take a moment to relax your shoulders. Feel the earth beneath you. With an open heart, take a deep inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. And the key is to link your movements with your breath. The first variation, I'll be turning the sideways. So feet can be parallel or together, whatever feels most stable for you. And then on your inhale, reach your arms out and over your head. And then you want to lift your heart, press the shoulder blades into your chest as you bring your arms into cactus arms, elbows shoulder height, palms towards the sky. And then exhale, reach your arms up as you fold, hinging from your hips. Feel free to bend your knees and let the head hang. And then bring your hands to your shins. Inhale, lengthen to a flat back. Half fold, exhale, release, forward fold. Then inhale, root and rise to stand. Exhale, hands to your heart. So that was the first variation with the shoulder opening. So let's do that one more time, and we're just gonna link your movements to your breath. One breath, one movement. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale to fold. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale to fold. Inhale, root and rise. Exhale, hands to your heart. And then the second variation, I'll be facing you. Again, you just keep facing the same way. So come to your mountain pose. And inhale, on your inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, lean to your left. So we're gonna do adding a side lean, opening up the side of your body. Inhale to reach both arms up. Exhale, lean to your right. Keep both feet grounded evenly. Inhale to reach up. Exhale to fold, hinging from your hips. Long spine, let the head hang. Arms can dangle, legs can bend or straight. Reach your hands at your shins. Inhale, halfway up. Flat back. Exhale to fold. Inhale, root and rise. Big arms. Exhale, hands to your heart. So again, we'll just do one breath. Link the movements to your breath. So the first round, I went a lot slower because I was explaining the various alignment points. But this time you're just gonna move with the breath. Flow with the breath. Inhale to reach up. Exhale, lean to your left. Inhale to reach up. Exhale, lean to your right. Inhale to reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale to fold. Inhale, root and rise. Exhale, hands to your heart. So that was variation 2 with the side lean. Third variation, I'm gonna turn this way. Again, you can face forward the same way. And this time we're gonna add glute and your quads. So we're gonna come to chair pose as you inhale. So what you're going to do is bend your knees, stick your butt back, weight on the heels, and sit into an imaginary chair. And then make sure that your spine, the tail of the tailbone through the crown of your head is long, core is engaged. And then inhale, reach your arms up. Or you can have your hands at your waist. Exhale to fold. You can bend your knees or straighten. Whatever feels best for your back. Let the head release. Reach your hands to the shins. Inhale, halfway up. Flat back. Long line, crown of your head to the tailbone. Open your heart, shoulders back. Exhale to fold. Bend the knees over your hips. Inhale back to chair pose, Utkatasana. And then press up to stand. Exhale, hands to your heart. Again, let's do that one more time. So this is the most straight hip heat building of the 3. So on your inhale, chair pose. Exhale to fold. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale to fold. Bend the knees over your hips. Inhale to chair. Press to stand. Exhale, hands to your heart. So I hope that was helpful. So you can do all 3 variations alternatively, or you can pick one and do several repetitions. And for summer solstice, many yogis celebrate International Yoga Day by practicing 108 rounds of sun salutation. So if you end up doing that, let me know. And let me know which one is your favorite of the 3 in the comments below.